What's up, guys? Aesthetic Crypto back again with another video. This one is more specifically about getting into crypto, investing for beginners. And I hope to answer a few questions that might bring more questions. Feel free to reach out to me or a close friend who you trust, and let's get people involved. The first one I'll go over is, okay, I want to get into crypto, but what do I do? How do I even get started? My suggestion would be to download Coinbase or another centralized exchange. I suggest Coinbase because I use Coinbase. You'll have to do the whole sign up spiel and connect your bank account. But from there, once that's completed, you'll at least have your foot in the cryptocurrency space. The next question, how does all this stuff work? How does it work? In specificity to Coinbase, you connect your account to your bank account and you purchase, buy or sell cryptocurrencies on that app, and you can see your investments and your totals directly on the app. So now you know what to do. Go download Coinbase or another centralized exchange. You know how to purchase crypto, connect your bank account, spend a certain amount of money to get a certain coin. Now the next question is, okay, when do I get rich? I'm going to be completely honest here. Bitcoin's above $70,000 is at an all-time high. There's never a wrong time to buy Bitcoin, but at this moment in this bull market, you're a little late. You're much later than me. I've been screaming at my family to try to buy in late 2022 when prices were low. But I understand sentiment around there. People think it'll go lower. So now is not necessarily the best time to buy unless you have a long-term time horizon. Please don't jump in here thinking you'll explode to or 2x or 10x by tomorrow, because this asset class is still so new and so volatile. I have to make this point clear. Don't expect a get rich quick scheme, even though everybody sees crypto like that. So the answer to when you get rich is when you understand and adjust your time horizon. Yes, we're in a bull market and things will continue to go up, but you need to understand that you're not going to see the gains or the X's that you think you might see because we haven't started buying when prices were so low. Next question that aligns with the richness is, will I lose money? More times than not, beginners, new people in the space lose money because it's that shiny new thing. You go on, you get a coin, you like it, you get money, you roll those profits into another coin you don't know, you lose money. You're sad, you try to make it back, you roll it into another coin, it's even worse, it's actually a scam, and then you lose all your money. It's so important to, if you're in this space, sit and learn and really dig in and maybe use other people's experience so you don't run into the same pitfalls that they might have. So, in summary of all these questions, what do I do? Find Coinbase or another centralized exchange and sign up. How does it work? How do I get it? Include your bank account or your debit card. Make a small purchase, something that you are willing to lose. This is an investment. This is a gamble. Will I get rich and when will I get rich? Expand your time horizon because Bitcoin's already in a bull market and we don't know how much longer it will last. So if you have a 5 to 10 year time horizon, feel free in buying now and knowing that your time will come and you'll be more well off. But if you have a 2-week time horizon, you need to be more realistic with yourself. Will I lose money? There's a definite possibility of losing money. This is the stock market. This is real estate. Things go up, things go down, but this is more volatile. So I would just say be careful and only invest what you can afford to lose. All these questions are important. Put them together. Do your own research, and I really think you'll come out on the other side better than you were. Appreciate your time. Hope you got some kind of value from this video. Drop a comment if you have any questions or you'd like to provide feedback. Appreciate your time. Take it easy.
Never could have made it without